Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can convert 2D layer or an icon to 3D layer. So you can just make better animations and have more control into the layer. So let's get into our screen and see how to make it. We'll get into After Effects. We will use After Effects for this work. And we will use this tool here or this plugin, which is 3D Extrude, which is free by the way. This version is free. The way to install it, you will find the link down below to install this extension, ZIP file. You will find these three layers. You will just copy these two layers, copy them like this, and get into this location. And it is like Adobe After Effects into this destination where we install our scripts and plugins. So you just can make Control V here, and because I have it, so I will click replace, and after that you will click continue and continue. So when you are installing this thing, you have to shut down the Adobe After Effects program so it can install this. And once you finish, open After Effects and you will find it here into Window and 3D Extrude. So let's make an example of making this shape. Let's have the anchor point on the middle of the shape layer so we can make it the control more easier. Click Control from the keyboard and double click on the anchor point. It will get the anchor point into the middle of the layer. Click Extrude, and that's it. You see now how it looks like. Okay, but to make the control more easier, again we will move the anchor point. Just click this anchor point and click the null object, because this layer is linked to the null object. So we'll move this to the middle of the layer. You have full control to the Y like this, so you can make any change you want. Like this. Okay, let's get an example of 2D icon and make it 3D. So this is an example here, or maybe this one for location. Drag it into After Effects. Delete these two layers we used before. Just select the layer and make Extrude. Now it's 3D, as you can see. And to give an example where you can use this, we can just get like map. So you can just, maybe you're working on something like this, and let's get this, this icon here. So you can just, start making the rotation, and after that making the click R to get the rotation, make anchor point, start, and this is how you can make it. You can change the anchor point place by, so the rotation look more good. So this is an example, and let's say you want to change the layers color. So you have all these layers into this pre-composition. You can get into this pre-composition. This is the first layer, and all these layers, you can't change the color, just can fill color, add fill color. You can see this is second layer, maybe this color here, and copy this one and paste it into all these layers. And you can just make the first one a little bit more, darker, so it separates. So this is how it looks like, and you can see here there is like lighting effects. Well, when it's making the rotation, there is some lighting effects here. If you want to shut down all these lighting effects, just click on the advanced 3D and make it classic 3D, and it will look like exactly the same colors you've made on this composition, like this. But I think it will be way more good to make it with these lighting effects, especially when you are zoomed out like this. So it's up to you. So this is our tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, questions about video editing, just leave a comment down below. I'll make sure I will reply to your comment and maybe making tutorial video sharing what you are asking for. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.